Welcome back. All right, I was going to say happy Friday. Not Friday, it's Tuesday, but it's kind of like a Friday. We say hello to Chris McCusker standing by at 680. How are you, Chris?
I'm good. Yeah, it's a tease of a Friday, isn't it?
It's a total tease having Canada Day right in the middle of the week. It just feels wrong, doesn't it?
I know. It's just weird.
We're winding down, at least for the day. We'll wind back up in a little bit, but let's talk about the markets, which is, I think, is where you're beginning today.
Yes. So markets are looking at gains in June, and today is the last day of June, so I guess that has the potential to change. These days, you just never know. U.S. futures markets kind of bouncing around a little bit. What we're seeing, modest moves, at least in the early going. The NASDAQ has the potential to be the big winner in the month of June, looking at a gain of 4%. But here's the thing. The NASDAQ is potentially looking at its best quarter since 2001, a gain of 28%. The S&P and the Dow looking at their best quarter since 1998. So really a big comeback for markets compared to the first quarter. As far as Bay Street goes, it's looking at a gain in June of 1.3%, up by 15% in the first quarter, still down about 10% this year. We are going to get new GDP data from StatsCan this morning, and this could be potentially cringeworthy, Mel. The prediction is a potential drop of 11% in the month of April. Although some economists predict that it could be as much as 13%.
Yikes. And this is coming out around 8:30 or so this morning?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll keep tabs on that one. Thank you for that heads up.
Yeah.
The fallout with Facebook, it continues.
Yes, more advertisers essentially are unfriending Facebook. See what I did there?
I see what you did. Yeah.
Microsoft, Ford, and Clorox now the latest to boycott advertising on the platform as this growing list of companies continue to call for change. They're really concerned about the social media's lack of action on hate speech and posts that divide and misinform. And that ever-growing list already included Starbucks, Coca-Cola, and Unilever, so some big names. Some are saying actually the corporate backlash might prompt the U.S. Congress to take action. So that's going to be really interesting to see what comes of that. Shares in Facebook yesterday did start the day lower, still looking at a gain year to date of about 7.5%. So the stock has taken a hit on this news, but it's still higher this year.
Still doing well. Let's talk Lululemon here.
Yeah. Lululemon, the Canadian yoga pants maker, is buying Mirror. This is the maker of in-home fitness equipment. It basically looks like a big phone that you put on your wall, and it sort of helps you along with your workout. Lululemon made an investment in this company, I believe it was last year, and the price tag on this deal, $500 million. And this partnership comes, I guess, as people sort of move away from traditional gyms in favor of doing the workout at home. I guess there's, something to be said for that nowadays.
I think a lot of people are nervous about going to the gyms, right? Whatever their policies look like. And are you going to have to wear a mask? Are you going to be in plexiglass? Like all this sort of fun stuff, which,
I know.
I mean, my situation is just don't go to the gym.
Right.
That's my excuse. I'm kidding.
Right. Well, me too. And the thing is, though, it's a really hard environment to control, right?
Yeah.
Because, not only are you touching things, but you're sweating.
You're sweating, you're heavy breathing, you're speaking moistly, you're doing all the above.
How does the gym keep up with that?
Yeah,
it's hard.
It's tough. Yeah. I know they've got a hard run moving forward for the future of the industry. All right, Chris, you have yourself a great Canada Day.
Yes, you too. So I don't have to, you don't need me tomorrow. I just want to clarify.
Are you working tomorrow?
No.
Okay.
But I can turn the 3 a.m. alarm clock off.
Turn it off. Just turn it right on off. Sleep
for one day.
You got it, Chris. Talk to you Thursday.
Okay. Take care.
Take care.